What's up, Sun Rays? Welcome back to my channel. It's Ray. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am getting ready to do another wash and go, and it can turn out pretty good or it can turn out pretty bad. We're just going to see. So if you remember, recently I did a wash and go using the Cheers Gelato gel, and it turned out pretty well using my subscribers combo. But in the comments, I got some other leave-ins that people said the gel worked well with. I don't know why I don't have a comb up here, so I'm just gonna do this. So I wanted to try some of those combos today. Now, I do have two of the leave-ins in. As you can see, one back here is the adwoaleave-in, and it's not my favorite. I can't get past the smell. And then someone else mentioned the As I Am leave-in, which I really do like, which I have here, and it's upside down because I don't have a lot. So we're gonna see how these work, so I can kill two birds with one stone. I'm gonna do As I Am on this side and Adwoa on this side. So shout out to Geneva Kennel and Stacy Parker for giving me these two leave-ins to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the As I Am back here. And you guys know I normally do my leave-ins in the shower, which is another reason why this could go horribly wrong, because I'm doing this outside the shower. And I don't have a lot of it. But we're gonna make it work. Let me put some up front before I use all of it in the back. The thing about this As I Am that I love, it smells good, it soaks right into my hair, as you can see, and because of the consistency, it distributes quite easily. So I don't think I have any more. I'm gonna go over there and look. Ain't no telling what's on that shelf over there. Put a little bit more. I'm gonna try to get some out of the back, some more in this back part. Guys, get everything out of these bottles, okay? Put some on this top. I don't have any more, so, but I think I got enough out for this side. So that's why I use the smaller side for the As I Am, because I knew I didn't have much of that. So I'm gonna let it soak in a little bit, and I'm gonna go on this side. I'm gonna add the Adwoa Bayo Mint Leave-In Conditioning Styler. And after I get this added, I'm just gonna go right into applying the gel, because you guys have seen, and used it so much there was a little hard piece in there. You guys have seen in detail how I add that gel. If you haven't, you need to go look at the other video, because I talked through it. I think I show you a few different ways that I apply my gel. Oh, it's so strong. So once I start applying the gel, I'm just going to apply it because I'm outside the shower and I didn't have my leave-in in first, so I don't want my hair to dry out. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys just watch, and then I'll come back and talk about how I like these two. And I did not do a mix test, so I'm hoping I don't get any flaking. So we're just gonna see. All right guys, enough talking.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down. stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily, 'cause baby we got chemistry. We got something special, but you want the whole world. Cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me, sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop, so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind?
Okay guys, so I got it all applied. So what I will say is that this side with the As I Am felt like it did with the melanin, where it felt like it was foaming up just a little bit, although you can't really see it. I feel like my curls are more separated on this side, like they're going to be littler and more shingled looking on this side. And on this side, I feel like my hair looks a little bit more white. It has like little white on the ends, not a lot, but enough where I'm not sure if this is gonna flake or not. But the adwoaleave was thicker. I did have more leave-in on this side, because this side, you saw, I kind of ran out of leave-in, and the part that got leave-in wasn't a lot. And because I didn't have a lot of As I Am, of course, I'm gonna take that into consideration, because it's not really getting a fair shot. But it's still gonna give us a chance to kind of see if I like both of them. Like I said, I had plenty of As I Am on the front. I wish I had had more on the back, but my front is my drier area anyway, so I'm glad I put more on the front, and we'll still get to see how both of them work out with this gel. So I'm gonna go dry my hair and I will be back, so stay tuned. Okay guys, I am back from under the dryer, and I know I said in a previous video that I wasn't going to keep coming back showing you my hair right from under the dryer, and I'm not, but I wanted to show you this time because I used different products for each side, but I wanted to show you that they pretty much dried the same and they look the same pretty much coming out from under the dryer. So I just wanted to show you that. Now I'm getting ready to go get myself together and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back, and this is my hair. So I did stretch it a little bit, and I will say again that both sides look very similar, very much alike. I didn't get any flaking on either side that I can see. Both sides are extremely soft, even though I did not have a whole lot of leave-in on this side. Both sides still feel extremely soft. This side does feel like it has a tad bit more hold on the ends, and that's probably because the leave-in on this side was thinner, and so the gel was able to adhere to the hair and kind of just give a little bit of more hold to the hair base, versus having to work through a thicker leave-in to hold. But both sides still have hold, definition, clumps, softness. I mean, you can't really tell that I used two different leave-ins. Both sides feel moisturized right now, so I will say that both the adwoaleave and the As I Am work well with the Mane Choice Cheers Gelato. Again, right now I don't see any flaking. I will come back like I do always on day 3 and let you know if anything has changed, but right now I'm liking the look of it. Again, it's not like someone would say, oh my gosh, your hair is so shiny, but they definitely would say your hair looks nice. They would say it looks healthy. and if they felt it, they would say, oh my gosh, your hair is soft. So again, I'm not getting any crunch with this gelato, and I think the gelato is moisturizing, so it is helping to keep the hair moisturized with whatever leave-in that you use. So again, this side didn't have a whole lot of As I Am, and some places may not have gotten any. You guys saw me apply it, you saw me running out. So I would say that you probably will get pretty soft hair on with the one product wash and go. Like if you use the gelato alone and just use water as your leave-in like someone suggested, I think you probably would get a pretty good wash and go with that as well. So that's my thoughts on the gelato. I like the gelato. Was it sticky when I applied it? Yes, it was. Was it sticky when I went to stretch? Yes, it was. Is it sticky now? No, it's not. So once it is dry and it's away from the heat, I no longer have the stickiness. So I do want to let you know that if you go to use this, I would suggest that you sit under a dryer to dry your hair. I don't know that I would diffuse with this because of the type of gel that it is. I don't really diffuse anyway because it would take me forever for my hair to get dry. But because you're applying the heat to it, trying to dry it, it just causes it to stay sticky. So I probably would not diffuse with this. I would sit under a hooded dryer, let it dry, and then if I felt like I needed to stretch my hair, I would be aware that my hair may feel a little bit sticky while I'm stretching it, but as soon as you get done stretching it and give it out, less than a minute, the heat's gonna evaporate and your hair will feel fine. It shouldn't feel sticky anymore because mine does it. So yeah guys, I just want to say thank you again to the 3 people that helped out with this combo. The initial person, which was Rosalie Amour, so thank you for initially asking me to try the gelato. And then I want to go ahead and give a shout out to Genevra Kennel, who suggested me to use the As I Am, and then Stacy Parker, who suggested that I use the Adwoa. So yeah guys, all 3 of those worked. Okay guys, sorry I'm in the car, but I almost forgot that this is 3rd day hair, and it is gloomy and somewhat rainy out, but I wanted to show you my 3rd day hair using the Mane Choice Cheers Gelato with the 2 different leave-ins. Again, both sides still feel nice and soft, and my hair is fluffy, but I wanted to get on here. Sorry if you can't see it real well. Maybe this is better, but I want to get on here and show it to you before the rain hit it and everything. If I can make it home, I'll try to do a new video, but if not, just know that this right here is 3rd day hair. Trying to get some good lighting for you, but as you can see, it's still very much defined and soft and fluffy. Still has some frizz and everything to it, but it looks healthy and it's okay. It's like I said, it's been rained on out in the elements. It was under a hat yesterday at my son's game, Friday night. Today is Saturday. Rained all day yesterday, so it's been through some stuff and it's still hanging on, but this is 3rd day. I definitely can stretch it a few more days. So yeah, just kind of wanted to come on and show you what it looks like. So those other 2 leave-ins did work well with this product, and I still don't have any flaking. So yeah, that's it. So let me know what you think of it. Now back to the video. As well, guys, I do want to let you know, if you are liking these earrings came from Tortolano Designs on Etsy. I talked about these in my Shine the Spotlight video, and I also talked about them previously, I believe, in an unboxing or a vlog or something like that. She sent me some earrings as just to be sending them, saying that I inspired her, and so I showed you those earrings, and then I went back and looked at her Etsy store and saw these, and I went on and purchased these, and then I purchased some other items. So I probably will show you those products in an upcoming video. So if you want to see what I got, you need to stay tuned to the channel. But yeah, so far everything that she has sent me is really good quality. So I do want to say that if you are looking for some nice, unique, handmade pieces that you won't see everybody with, hopefully, then I would say check out Tortolano Designs on Etsy. She is reasonable. She is a subscriber. I will leave a link in the description box. So if you want to check them out, you can. But this is a sample of some earrings that she makes. So yeah, I'm happy with my purchase. But yeah, guys, that's it. Let me know what you think about this wash and go. Oh, I do want to say that I know I said in my previous Mane Choice Gelato video that I had a couple more subscriber combos to do. I am not going to be able to do those combos because when I looked at them, I don't have all the products that I need. So one of them was asking me to use the melanin twist cream with something. Well, I don't have that anymore. I gave that away a while ago. And then somebody was asking me to do a combo using Uncle Funky's Curly Magic, and I don't have any of that anymore. You saw that in my empty, so I won't be able to do those. I will try to possibly do those combos at a later date after Black Friday, when maybe I've purchased some things and got I'm not going to be able to do the melanin oh, it was D Reese. You asked me to use the Design Essentials mousse with the kinky curling custard and the melanin cream. I don't have the melanin twist cream, so unless you have another combination where I can use a different cream besides the melanin, I'm probably not going to be able to do that combination. But I do plan on trying to pick up the Uncle Funky's daughter after Black Friday, so we'll see. But I know I'm not going to pick up the melanin cream. I just didn't care for it enough, and for the price and everything, I'm not going to purchase it just for one combo. So sorry about that. But D Reese, like I said, if you have another combo you'd like me to try, let me know what that is, and I might try to go ahead and do that at a later date. But for now, this is the last combo, subscriber combo for the year. Okay. So I did want to say that, so I apologize. I think I got to everybody else, and if I didn't get to yours, I will try to get to yours, you know, at a later date. But yeah, just wanted to say that. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you think of this wash and go. Let me know if you're going to try one of these combinations. Leave all that in the description box below. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.